All right, so let us go on the record. The court calls the people versus Stephen Spears. It's case number 230-446-7401. This matter is before the court in warrant status. May I have your appearances, please, starting with, on behalf of Mr. Spears.
Good morning, Your Honor. Deandra Roberts, case 76414, appearing on behalf of Mr. Spears. Can you state your name, please, Mr. Spears?
Stephen Spears.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court will recall the warrant and set aside capias in this matter as Mr. Spears has made an appearance on today after failing to appear at a pretrial conference on the 30th of May. What is your pleasure at this time, Attorney Roberts?
Your Honor, I respectfully ask that we set this for a final pretrial conference, and may I address bond?
All right, court will set the matter for a final pretrial conference. That'll be on June 23rd. That'll be at 9 a.m. That'll be here in person at 36th District Court, 421 Madison, Detroit, Michigan, 48226 in this very courtroom. As to bond.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, just as it relates to that, the complainant will be expected to hear.
Pardon me?
The complainant will be expected to
Yes,
hear.
the court does want the complaining witness to appear at the final pretrial conference that we are targeting for the 23rd.
Thank you. As to bond, Your Honor, Mr. Spears, I believe, did call in via telephone and then unfortunately did not appear back on the Zoom after being advised to Zoom in. He indicated he tried to, but was not able to. So I don't believe that this was a malicious failure to appear, that he simply had some difficulty that day.
All right.
We're asking for a personal bond.
Okay, Attorney Decker, are you there? Would you like to make an appearance, and do you have any argument as it relates to bond?
Is he in the hall? Is it? I think he's in the hall.
Okay, so he doesn't.
Okay, well, I'm good. I go get him. Bless you.
Sorry about that, counsel.
Anytime, Your Honor.
This is Mr. Stephen Spears.
Okay.
Attorney Roberts is arguing for a personal bond. Mr. Spears failed to appear on the 30th of May for the pretrial conference. So I just want to know if people had any argument as it relates to bond.
If it was a KPS,
Yes.
due to KPS history, that we would be concerned about any kind of bond adjustment, but unfortunately, I'm not really familiar with this case.
Okay. So I've reviewed the court file. I've heard the explanation as it relates to Mr. Spears' failure to appear on the 30th of May. Court will reinstate the previous bond with a $5,000 personal bond, no contact with the complaining witness, and they do not enter order for a Kirkwood address in the city of Detroit. So we'll reset that as it relates to bond, but we'll move forward on the 23rd of this month for a final pretrial conference. Anything else, Attorney Roberts?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Attorney Decker.
Thank you.
So, let us go on the record. The court does call the People versus Byron Lamont Bernard. It's case number 230-440-2001. Case is set for trial on today. May I have your appearances, please, starting with the prosecution?
Good morning, Your Honor. Eric Decker, PA 59331 for the people.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephanie Carson on behalf of Byron Bernard, P 57096.
All right, may I have your name, sir?
Byron Lamont Bernard.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Prosecutor, sir, what is your pleasure at this time?
Your Honor, the complaining witness has not checked into the courthouse. She has relayed to me that this is, the conflict that she's more concerned about is a property dispute, which is probably better handled in civil court. So, she's not criminally prosecuting. She does not want to, cooperate with any criminal prosecution at this time.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, we ask court to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, court's going to grant that motion at this time. Matter is dismissed on today, dismissal is without prejudice. Court noting that today is the date and time set for trial. People have indicated that the complaining witness is no longer seeking to prosecute this matter and will not be showing up for today's trial. Matter is dismissed. Anything further, Mr. Prosecutor?
No, Your Honor.
Attorney Harrison?
No, thank you, Your Honor. My client says his bond has already been returned to him.
Okay, so you have a good day as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Y'all have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend and a good, enjoy the traffic getting out of here.
Right, right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, we will fill out a dismissal form, right? So my client has no criminal history. I want his Prensky strike.
Any objection?
No objection.
You can submit that form and I'll sign it.
Thank you, appreciate it. So, thank you, Mr. Prensky strike, okay?
All right, Madam Court Reporter, that'll do that. You have a good one.
Just want to fill out the